In this video, I'll show you how to download PDFs from Claude AI quickly and easily. This is useful when Claude generates a document that you want to save to your computer. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged in to my Claude account and have the conversation open that contains the document I want to download. Next, I'll scroll through the conversation until I find the PDF file or document that Claude generated. Once I locate the file, I'll move my cursor over the document. I should see an option such as a download icon or a download button associated with the file. I'll click the download button and my browser will immediately begin downloading the PDF to my computer. Depending on my browser settings, the file will either appear in the downloads bar or be saved directly to my downloads folder. After the download finishes, I can open the file from my downloads to view or share the PDF whenever I need it, and that's it. I've successfully downloaded a PDF from Claude AI. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple AI tutorials and guides.